Hey there, have you ever wanted to send a bunch of emails at once but didn't know how? Let's chat about how you can use Gmail for bulk emailing. It's super easy and a game changer for staying in touch with everyone. Want to learn some tips and tricks together? So hello everyone, I hope everything's doing well. So in this video, I will show you how to send bulk emails using Gmail like a pro. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser, of course. Then you have just to dive firstly to mail.google.com. Then you dive into mail merge, and then I will show you how you can create a mail merge, and I will show you the steps how you can integrate using Google Sheets, as you can see. Then I will show you also how you can send this one and how you can use or you can create a mail merge. All right. So what is bulk emailing first? Bulk email is a fantastic way to keep everyone in the loop. Whether you are sharing updates, promoting an event, or just checking in with friends and family, I will quick draw the steps to do it effectively, and I will also share some tips to make sure your emails land in the right inbox and don't get marked as spam. Alright, so let's get started. The first step, you have just to go to your email or your Gmail account, and then if you don't have an account, you have just to create it by just adding your name, your password, and you get started with this one. Or you can also here link here to find your email. Alright, so I have an email, that's why I just link my email and I get started. So now that we have covered why bulk emailing is so useful, let's dive into the steps. But hey, before we do, let me just say something. If you are thinking this sounds complicated, don't worry, I promise I'm right here with you. Now you have just to grab your laptop and let's jump into it together. I will go through each step and feel free to pause the video and catch up if you need to. So let's get started. So after creating an account, you will have just to go and dive into mail merge. You will find this results. You have just to click over the first one, and then you will find these pages you can see. Right now you have just to read this information to know how you can create a mail merge with Gmail and Google Sheets, or you can just scroll down and click over make copy and you get started. But it's necessary to know more information about how you can create a mail merge with Gmail and Gmail Sheet and Google Sheets. Sorry. So about the first one, we have the objectives that we realize, which is understand that the solution, what the solution does. Sorry. Then we have the second one, understand what the application script services do within the solution. Then set up the script, run the script, and if we scroll down, we'll find here how it works with about the solution. The first here we have you create a Gmail draft template with placeholders that correspond to data in a sheet's spreadsheet. Each column header in a sheet represents a placeholder tag. The script sends the information for each placeholder from the spreadsheet to the location of the corresponding placeholder tag in your email draft. Then if you scroll down, you'll find here how you can set up the script. The first here we have here create the application script product, and here we have the first one, which is click the following button to make a copy of the Gmail or Sheets mail merge simple spreadsheet. The application script project for this solution is attached to the spreadsheet. You have just to click over this one and you get started. And about this second one, which is in your copied spreadsheet, update the recipient column with email addresses you want to use in the mail merge. About the third one, add, edit, or remove column to customize the data you want to include in your email template. If you change the name of the recipient or email sent columns, you must update your corresponding code in the application script project. You can open the application script project from the spreadsheet by clicking extension application script, and here we have how you can create an email template and also run the script as well. And here we have reviewed code, and also we have modification contributors and the next steps. All I have to do right now is just click over make a copy and you'll find other page, which is this one, as you can see. So as you can see, we have a Google Sheet copy document. The attached application script file and functionality will also be copied. Then we have here, would you like to make a copy of Gmail Sheets mail merge? You have just to click over make copy and you'll find other page, which is this one, as you can see. So here we have it. We have a copy of Gmail Sheet mail merge. You can also modify here the title by just add in whatever you want. Also, we have here various tags, but the thing that we will focus right now, which is here this files or this column. About here we have first name, as you can see, last name and recipient, description, discount code, discount amount, and email sent. So we have just to add the first name here if you want, add the last name, the recipient, and then we have the description, discount code, and discount amount as well, and the email sent. So one note, it's very important to know, it's just don't modify it here though. These files are the fourth 1 2 3 4. There's 4 files or there's 4 columns. You have just to keep it like that, and you can also here modify this one if you want, about discount code and discount amount, and also email send if you want. So you have just to come back here and you write here the first name as it's just like the second one, and the third one. And just to add the first name, the last name, the recipient, the description here, discount code, and discount amount as well. Then you have just to come back here. Let's just click in over compose and write an email here. You have just to click to and you select to who. It will just select it right now. So I will just click over here. I will add the parentheses right now. Let's just get it started. Alright, for now I will just add here this parentheses. One second, I will just add two. Then I will write, for example, right now the recipient. We'll just verify if is it the same. So let's come back. Here we have recipient right now. I will just come back here and I will modify this one. Then I will add here parentheses, as you can see. Then you have just to come back here and you add the description. Then you come back and you about the description you must here add the discount code, and you come back here and you write hey and you add the first name. Then you come back and you write whatever you want. For example, here I write I am reaching out to you to send you this discount code. I hope to subscribe to us for more existing offers. Let us know what this experience is like for you. Thanks, and I will write my name here and I will click over send. Then you have just to come back and you click over email merge and you click over send emails. Then you click over here a script attached to this document needs your permission to run. I will click over OK, and I will get started with this one by just adding here another account, and I will get started. Alright, and it's done how you can create mail merge right now. Alright, so to set up your Google Sheet or for bulk emails, create a new sheet with headers like name, email, subject, and message. Fill in the rows with the details for each recipient using placeholder like the name and the message for personalization. This structure will facilitate the mail merge process for sending emails. So that's it. Sending bulk emails with Gmail is super easy once you know the steps. I hope you found this helpful and feel ready to give it a try. Remember, you can reach out to so many people in just a few clicks. If you have any question or run into any issues, don't hesitate to ask. I am here to help. Thanks for hanging out with me today and happy emailing. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.